See if we can go. Third time's a charm. Oh, good boy! And you just let it hit you in the face.